Hello YouTube friends. Once again, here we are, this time with a DIY / installation / how-to video. This time we're going to be installing some RAM modules on this Huananzhi X10X99 motherboard. So the way this motherboard is structured is that it has a quad channel architecture. So this motherboard supports 16 slots, supporting up to 1024 gigabytes of DDR4 2400 2133 or 1866 megahertz RAM. It supports ECC and non-ECC memory, and I guess the speed depends on the CPU type you have on there and the RAM you have on there. So the gray slots on this are the primaries and the black slots are the secondaries. So the way this board is structured, it's got the DIMM slots are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. And for CPU1, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And since the primaries are the gray ones, and that what I have is 4 modules that I'll be installing, it's gonna be on slots 1 and 3, the gray slots, and then on CPU 1 we're gonna do 1 and 3 on there. And I think that's the way it's supposed to be on this motherboard, but I won't know until I start it up and test it. So anyways, let's go ahead and start. Now actually, before we do that, here is the RAM that I'll be installing is this RAM here, which is SK Hynix from Korea, and they are 32 gigabyte PC4-2400T modules, and these modules are DDR4 RAM. Let's see if I can get a close-up for you there. Yep. Right there. Okay. And let's see. So to get ready, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up our ears here for DIMM 1 and DIMM 3, the gray slots. And now what we'll do is we'll locate the little notch right in here to correspond to the little notch that goes right in there. And I'll start with this inner one there, slide it in, and then we press on either side, but that's not it. Let's see. Oh no, that's right. Okay. And we press on either side until they come up there. There we go. And let's see, we'll do that again here. Slide it in, and then press on either side until both latch in. There we go. Okay. Let's see this one here. Start on the outer one. Open up the ears as before. Okay. go. Next one. And that's it. That's pretty much how you install this RAM. So the total RAM that's going to be on here at the moment is going to be 128 gigabytes of RAM. And this is DDR4 ECC RAM, error correction RAM. That's pretty much it. If you find this useful, I'd appreciate a like, and a subscribe would be great. Thanks for watching.